Hey guys, and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a lighter flamethrower. And this is going to be pretty fast and simple if you do it. And first of all, the most important thing that you need is the lighter. And what you need to know about the lighter is it has to have a plus and minus switch. And then you need I got a mechanical pencil, but anything that can pry these sides of the lighter open, like that. And then obviously an adult to buy the lighter, or if you find one around your house you can use that. But if it's your parents, just make sure that they're okay with it. And so you just wanna pry at these sides, and it'll just bend out like this. And then mine got kind of loose because I've done it a lot, but for the starting it'll be kind of hard, but yeah. And then after it's gotten wide, just push it back together. And then as you can see, it's going to be a normal flame. And to do it, as you can see the switch, and there will be a white wheel. And this is a H and HW lighter, so I provide you use them because that's the one I'm using. But you can use any kind. But there's a black wheel, there's a white wheel and a black switch connected to it. And what you want to do to start it off is you want to push it up, the black piece, and actually with the starting you just want to completely turn it to the plus sign. So just turn it to the plus sign, and then push this thing up so you're not moving the wheel, and bring it back to the minus, and then push it again. And then push up so you're not moving the wheel, and while you move, and then do it one more time. Push down, then do it one more time. So you're moving the wheel now. And basically what that will do is instead of turning the wheel once to make it go a little higher, you'll be turning the wheel 3 times, basically modifying it to make the flame huge. And it takes a while for the flame to start up. So yeah, but it'll get big. It has to get the gas ready. As you can see. And for some reason, after you light it, once you let go of this button, there will still be a little flame, so just blow it out, like, simply. And yeah. And to reset it, you just want to push it all the way to the minus, go back up so you're not moving the wheel, push it to the plus, and basically just do the opposite 3 times. And that, bring it back to normal. And yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys like it, then leave a comment and a like. And if you guys want more videos, just comment me and like the video and subscribe, and I'll make more videos. They'll be coming up soon. Thank you. Bye.